Minash-Shaytanir-Rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Welcome back in the chemistry lecture of 11th science. Today we will see the chemical now we will see the preparation of alkanes. Now the organic chemistry chapters are in such a way that we have to study the classification of organic compound, nomenclature and preparation, then reactions, at the last uses. Last time I have said that we will see the conformation of alkane. This conformation of alkane topic we will see next time, inshallah. Now we have to prepare alkane. We have different method for the preparation of alkane. So we have to see one by one. Preparation of alkanes. Now in our syllabus there are two methods of preparation of alkane has been given to us. We will see one by one. As from the industrial method of preparation of alkane is that the alkane is obtained from the crude petroleum and natural gas are the source of alkane. Dead plant buried under the earth billions of years ago got converted into crude oil. Under the high temperature and pressure condition, the crude oil collected in the dome shaped cavity under the earth's surface, which we call oil well, that we call as a oil well, and alkanes are obtained by the fractional distillation of that crude oil in the oil refinery. So in this way the alkanes are obtained in the industries. Now in the laboratory, if we want to obtain the alkane, there are many methods. With respect to our textbook, the two method has been given. The one of the method is from the unsaturated hydrocarbon and second method is from alkyl halide. From unsaturated hydrocarbon, that is double bond and triple bond. From alkyl halide means halogen, 17 group element is called as a halogen. Halogen attached to any of the element or a compound is said to be as an halide. The third method has been given over here. We will study this method ahead from salt of carboxylic acid. This method is not explained over here in this topic. Ahead in the chapter it has been explained. The product is hydrocarbon. That is why it has been given. I have written. Now, from unsaturated hydrocarbon, the reaction of alkene double bond and alkyne triple bond with hydrogen in presence of ranitidine. Ranitidine is the catalyst. Ranitidine actually it is an alloy of aluminium and nickel. It is leached with the sodium hydroxide. It is leached with means it is given washing with sodium hydroxide. So some part is get dissolved in the sodium hydroxide and then it is filtered. That filtered liquid is added into the ethyl alcohol. From ethyl alcohol the hydrogen is given for reduction purpose. Addition of hydrogen is said to be as a reduction. So in double bond hydrogen added in presence of ranitidine and in triple bond also at high temperature. It is called as a Sabatier-Sanders equation. Now in presence of the catalyst like platinum, palladium or nickel, alkanes are formed. That is hydrogen is added. It is also called as addition of hydrogen is called as hydrogenation. Petroleum and natural gas are the main source of alkane. Remember carefully. In the lab, in emergency, we can prepare the alkane in this way. Alkene, double bond, CN, H2N. You know very well the formula you have studied in 10th standard. In presence of catalyst, that is ranitidine. What will form alkane? CnH2n plus 2, that is alkane. This is the general reaction. This is ethene. Ranitidine will provide the hydrogen. That hydrogen will be getting added over here across the double bond, so carbon will become CH3 bond CH3, or we can write C2H6. Ethane. From ethene, ethane is prepared. So a question can be asked, how you will prepare ethane from ethene? So this reaction is expected. This is the higher alkene, that is propene. It is heated at about 300 degrees Celsius. What will happen? Propane will form. Across double bond, there will be addition of hydrogen takes place. From triple bond, the general formula for triple bond is CnH2n2 minus. Is heated, hydrogen is provided as it is having two double bond. For one double bond we require 2 hydrogen, for 2 double bond we require 4 hydrogen. That is why 2H2. What will form alkane? CnH2n plus 2, catalyst Raney-Nikel. Let's see the example. Ethyne, the common name for ethine is acetylene. Remember carefully, acetylene. CH, triple bond CH. Even we can add as a catalyst as a palladium or PT. Palladium PT can be act as a catalyst in room temperature also. Again here 2 hydrogen added over here with this carbon and 2 hydrogen with this carbon, it forms ethane. Now this is propine, 3 carbon. Propane will obtain. So how we will prepare propane from propine? This reaction is expected. Answer the question. Reaction of ethylene with hydrogen gas in the presence of Raney-Nikel gives, ethylene will gives you ethane. C, right answer. Next question, try to give the answer. This is the number of moles of hydrogen atom. Now you have to say me how many hydrogen is added. 3 moles, 2 moles, 1 mole, 10 mole. As one double bond is there, I said that for one double bond it requires only 2 hydrogen. So 2 hydrogen will get from 1 mole of hydrogen. 1 mole of hydrogen will provide 2 hydrogen. That is why 1 mole of hydrogen. Here 1 will be written. So that is why we will not write 1. Next method of preparation of alkane, that is from alkyl halide by reduction method. Addition of hydrogen we have from alkyl halide we have 3 different methods are there from alkyl halide. The first one is reduction in presence of zinc with dilute HCl. Zinc will react with chlorine, form zinc chloride, and this hydrogen gas from HCl is given out for reduction. This alkyl halide, we will not use an alkyl halide as a fluoride. We will use chloride, bromide or iodide. 17 group element react with the carbon to form halides. This RX, X symbolizes as halides, that is Cl, Br, I. See the general reaction. Onto the arrow it is compulsory to write zinc, H plus means HCl. In the smart way, H plus is written to symbolize as HCl. What will happen? Halogen is exchanged by hydrogen. HBr or HCl is removed and 1 H is added to form alkane. See the reaction. Methyl chloride, hydrogen is replaced by chloride. It forms methane and HCl is given out. In the same way, ethyl chloride, hydrogen is exchanged and HCl is given out. Ethane is obtained. How you will prepare ethane from ethyl chloride? So this reaction is expected. Instead of zinc chloride, we can use the reducing agents such as zinc plus acetic acid, zinc plus sodium hydroxide, zinc copper ethanol, sodium methanol, or HI red phosphorus. This all reagent is for, remember, you have to remember, for neat purpose. Here in our textbook it has not been given. Now what will happen? Ethane will form, C2H6, same reaction it is. Here propyl and propyl chloride, 1 chloropropane, propane is obtained. Now second method is very important, that is said to be as a Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction means alkyl halide react in presence of sodium metal. Pure sodium metal is added in this reaction. Let's see what will happen. Sodium will be reacting with the halide, forming sodium halide in presence of dry ether. Dry ether is the organic solvent. Dry means no water. Ether is the organic liquid that is having boiling point about 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. That means if you blow the wind from your mouth to the ether can evaporate very easily. The boiling point is very less of ether. Ether is very much volatile in nature. If you keep the ether in presence of sunlight, ether will start to boil. Ether cannot bear the heat because the boiling point is very low. So this solvent we are adding into the reaction, because sodium should not react with water. When sodium react with water, explosion takes place. Sodium removes the oxygen from the water and hydrogen combine to form hydrogen gas, and there is a blast of hydrogen gas. That is why sodium is kept away from the water. So in order to avoid water, we add the dry ether. This is called Wurtz reaction. This method is used for the preparation of higher alkane. If you take 1 carbon alkyl halide, you will get the product 2 carbon. If you take 2 carbon alkyl halide, you will get, you have to do square of the carbon. You will get the alkane of 4 carbon atom. If you take 6 carbon, you will get 12 carbon product. 6 carbon halide if you will take, you will get alkane will be 12 carbon of alkane. Let's see a mixture, and if you take different type of alkyl halide, you will get different type of alkanes. Let's see the general reaction. Alkyl halide react with sodium. Now here that is why 2 moles has been taken. Alkyl halide is heated with sodium metal. What will happen? First sodium will take NaX. Then what will happen? This R will be crying that what I should do. That is why sodium takes another X. So NaX. This R become vacant. They both joined each other. That is why 2 moles of sodium and 2 moles of alkyl halide is required. R bond R, that is higher alkane. Here alkane is of 2 carbon atom. If this carbon is 1, see the example. Methyl chloride, 2 moles we have taken. NaCl, 2 NaCl is got removed and ethane is obtained. When different alkyl are taken, mixture of hydrocarbon is formed. Ethyl bromide, methyl bromide. So now what will happen? Try to understand. Now this ethyl bromide first will react with another moles of ethyl bromide. Here the reaction is not balanced. Now another mole of ethyl bromide. So what will happen? Ethyl bromide will react with ethyl bromide. Then butane is formed. Methyl bromide will be react with methyl bromide. Ethane is formed. Then C2H5 and CH3. This cross coupling will be taking place. then propane will obtain. And when they react, ethyl bromide react with ethyl bromide, it is said to be a self coupling. Now this is cross coupled product, propane. Now this is self, ethyl bromide react with itself, butane, and methyl bromide will be reacting by itself, forming ethane. Ethyl chloride in Wurtz reaction gives dash. I said multiply by square the carbon atom. So 2 carbon, 2 square, 2, 4. Answer will be C butane, right? Propyne, 3 carbon atom undergo hydrogenation gives. Answer the question, students. Right answer, propane. Now preparation of alkane, third part we will see. Now from sodium salt of carboxylic acid is not given in our textbook right now. We will see ahead as whenever it is given to us. The next reaction is from another metal, that is magnesium. We will see that reaction when alkyl halide react with magnesium, what will happen in this third part. Alkyl magnesium halide, Grignard reagent, it is called as Grignard reagent. When alkyl halide, this RX when react with magnesium, to form alkyl magnesium halide. Here magnesium is get inserted between RNX. This reagent is called as a Grignard reagent, that is alkyl magnesium halide. Where this is alkyl halide react with dry metal magnesium, and here the solvent again here is used as a dry ether. This treatment with water gives you alkane. When you react afterward, later on, after Grignard reagent is obtained, when you react with water, H2O, what will happen? Magnesium is electropositive, it will attract OH minus from the water, it will form a byproduct as magnesium bond X bond OH. So, and the hydrogen of water is added to alkyl group, R bond H, it become alkane. See the example, methyl magnesium iodide. Methyl magnesium iodide is obtained of the action of magnesium on methyl iodide. I repeat again, magnesium react with methyl iodide, forms methyl magnesium iodide. Magnesium is inserted between methyl and iodine. When it is treated with water, what will happen? The magnesium and OH will be getting attached with the iodine, of course, because magnesium valence is 2 plus. So iodine 1 minus and OH 1 minus. So after that what happened? This hydrogen of water will be getting attached to methyl group, form methane. So this is the end of the preparation of alkane. You have to prepare this much. Later on we will see the physical property and chemical reaction of alkane. Thank you.